Workflow number 2 is called access management. Access management. And your question might be, Casey, do you do this one too? And the answer is yes. All the 5 workflows we are able to operate for you and your business. And access management, you would say, what in the world does that mean? Well, I wish this wasn't true, but it just is. All of your products and services of whatever kind of business you are, is that when there's a subscription failure, is that we have to make a decision, and you have to make a decision. Does the person keep getting the product? Do they keep getting the service? Like, what access do they get? When, why, how, what's the system around that? And how does that work? And what I would love to say as well, that all the technology just works and it all works together, and you could just press some buttons and it would, you win your customer back and they get access. And then if it doesn't, then it takes it away. And sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. And so what we do is we manage that process for you. And there's 2 specific words that you need to think about that we're going to be doing for you around. This is one of the workflows. This is one of the nitty gritties, but it's very important for your customer to have a great experience, is access management and remove and restore. Remove and restore. When we say remove, what do we mean by remove? Well, we mean that we remove access from your product or service when the subscription fails. If you tell us it needs to be removed at day 15, well, if you have 200 subscriptions, that's a lot to remember on day 15s of when that has to happen. But we're happy to do it for you. If you say that it remains open for 30 days, okay, we can be as customized as you want to be, but you've got to have a system around removing access or removing people from a shipment or removing people out of a sequence or removing people from things. And so we remove your customers from different things that you want us to remove them from. And then we restore them, meaning let's just say that their card fails and there's a million different reasons, 262 different reasons a credit card could fail, right? And it fails for one of those reasons. And then we're able to win them back because we did such a great job with our conversion cadence. And let's say they just came back. Well, then you have to restore stuff. And so you say, what do you mean restore? Meaning restoring their service or restoring their content or restoring their shipment or all of those different things. And so the formula here, again, after a $500 million is remove plus restore equals resolved. You want it fully resolved for the customer. And so when you're thinking about this and you're thinking of the workflows and all the details that happen around subscription management, this is a big one that we do for you and your team so that your customer can stay and pay and be happy.
We recognize that not all of the clients we serve have access management needs, but I'd love to show you what it looks like for those who do. You're looking at the back end of Kajabi. Kajabi is a very common platform that our e-learning clients often use to help protect the content they have and make sure that only paying customers get access to that content. So look at the red box. You'll notice we've blurred out some of the details to protect the integrity of our client, but I want to show you a product was granted on February 7th, 2022. That's when the customer paid. And then it was canceled on March 1st, 2022. That tells me that this customer did not have a successful payment for their March 1st payment. Notice though, it was granted again on March 1st, 2022. What this tells me is that Gravy used our conversion cadence to reach out to this customer the day that they had a failed payment, and we were able to get them back online. And as the green box showed you, we re-granted them access to the appropriate content.